Assalamualaikum to Dr. Aizam and all my friends. So for this simulation, I'm using Simulink software to simulate my circuit. As you can see here, there are two parameters that I measure. That is, the first one is the voltage that I'm using voltage measurement in Simulink, and current, that is current measurement in Simulink. And the second parameter that I measured in the circuit is the waveform that I will using a scope that act like oscilloscope on Simulink. So we run the circuit. And as you can see here, our circuit has been successfully simulated. So we will I will show you the waveform. So this is the first one. The upper part of the waveform is a 10 ohm resistor waveform, and this is the below of the two 10 ohm resistor is capacitor, waveform capacitor, followed by 5 the inductor and 5 ohm resistor. So we notice that the waveform of 10 ohm resistor and the capacitor is much wider than inductor and 5 ohm resistor. And the waveform for the this is the waveform for the current, and the orientation is same. And if you notice that all the waveform in sinusoidal wave. And for our voltage for the 10 ohm resistor in negative 3.33 power of negative 13 volt, and the current is negative 3.33 power of negative 14 volt. And our voltage for capacitor is 0.1109 volt, and the current is negative 0.07636 ampere. And the voltage for the 5 ohm resistor is negative 0.111 volt, and the current is negative 0.02174 ampere. And for our voltmeter, for the inductor is negative 0.11 volt, and the current is negative 0.05463 ampere. So we can set here the reason that there is negative value because because the voltage in sinusoidal form. So they will if I'm longer the period for X second, for example, so the value will be positive. And that's all for our circuit simulation. Thank you.